Facing the mirror, many of us scrutinize our faces, tracking down the smallest detail, dreaming of looking several years younger. Beyond wrinkles and fine lines, the quality of the skin is a determining factor in having beautiful skin. And that ultimately allows you to face the eyes of others with serenity. There are thousands of products that promise to give you a clear and fine skin. Instead of relying on these products, you can try remedies at home that can improve the overall appearance of your skin. 1. Lemon. Lemon is one of the most effective fruits to fight skin problems. And mainly lemon juice. It makes the skin more radiant and cleanses it deeply by tightening the pores. But it should not be used just anyhow. We explain everything to you. How does lemon juice work on the skin? Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which makes it a powerful antioxidant. And it is especially lemon juice that helps to cleanse the skin. Indeed, its citric acid content makes it an excellent disinfectant. But it must be used with care. To begin with, it is preferable to use it organic and untreated. Moreover, it should never be used pure but rather diluted. Especially if it is used on the skin. Finally, if your skin tends to be fragile, it is preferable not to apply lemon juice. This could make it even more fragile. Lemon juice on oily skin. Lemon juice is known to be purifying and antiseptic. It helps to disinfect the skin and fight against pimples and blackheads. Its acidity regulates the production of sebum and fades the marks left by acne. If you suffer from minor skin problems, use lemon juice. Dab the areas you wish to treat with a cotton pad soaked in lemon juice and leave on for a few minutes. For blackheads, you can make a homemade express mask. Mix an egg yolk, a teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of honey. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 10 minutes. Finally, rinse with warm water. Lemon juice helps to fight wrinkles. Instead of ruining yourself in industrial anti-wrinkle products, why not take an interest in a more natural product? Lemon juice is rich in flavonoids and tannins. This makes it a very effective natural antioxidant. To fight against wrinkles, apply a few drops of olive oil mixed with a few drops of lemon juice to your skin. These two products combined will soften and tone the skin. You can repeat this gesture twice a week to see quick results. 2. Turmeric. Saffron. It is important to know that saffron is rich in antioxidants, which allows it to fight against free radicals. Therefore, it protects your face against pollution, wind, sun rays, etc. At the same time, it is also an excellent treatment to fight the appearance of wrinkles on the face. Thanks to its natural components, it stimulates the production of collagen, a substance that promotes cell regeneration. Thus, regular application of this plant will bring elasticity to your skin, reducing the appearance of signs of fatigue on your eyes, chins, etc. How to make a mask based on turmeric to have a smooth and acne-free skin. To make this mask, you need to combine the following ingredients in a bowl: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1/2 lemon juice spoon. Then, mix them with a spoon until you obtain a very homogeneous texture. Wash your face and wipe with a cloth before applying the mask. Cover your hair with a cap. Likewise, cover your body with a towel, as saffron can stain your clothes. Then, using the back of a spoon, apply the mask to your face, starting with the cheeks, then the forehead and chin, and finally the nose. 3. Aloe vera. The aloe vera plant is very nutritious. It has many active properties on the skin and is effective in treating certain ailments. This plant is an important health and beauty ally for the skin of your face and body. How to use aloe vera on the face. Pure aloe vera gel can be used as and penetrates easily into the skin. You can therefore use it as a moisturizer, and therefore instead of your usual day or night cream. If you need a richer skincare product, aloe vera gel can be used underneath your cream. It has the role of a serum, both purifying and tensing. To enjoy the benefits of the plant in an intense way, you can make an aloe vera mask once or twice a week. Or only when your skin feels the need. Aloe vera mask. Mix a few drops of lemon juice with pure aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture to your face and neck and leave on for 20 minutes before rinsing off. Particularly dry skin will appreciate the sweetness of honey. Mix a large tablespoon of honey with a nice dab of aloe vera gel and massage it into your face. Leave for about 10 minutes before removing the excess. The result: soft and perfectly moisturized skin. Thank you for spending some time with us to Natural Medicine. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video.